guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing Spice Breeze. It has been one of those days. I got up this morning and I went into we're gonna decorate for Christmas mode. Then I was like, I am gonna work on something I've been working on for a friend of mine. So I gave a couple hours to that. And then I was like, okay, we're gonna get ready for Santa by making room. You know, getting rid of clothes, toys. We donate all our clothes. We usually pass toys off to friends if we can, and I did not realize what an undertaking it was. It was just outrageous. Just all the stuff you accumulate. I just have too much stuff. Just too much stuff. Anyway, even thinking about having to just get rid of it all, the time that takes to donate. I mean, I know it sounds terrible, but you've got to go, you've got to do it. And it's just oh my gosh, hopefully Santa buys, experiences or not material. We don't need it anymore. More material stuff. Anyway, even though it's fun, I get it. I know it's special for the kids, but they just acquire so much stuff, just stuff. And a lot of it is just, we have a mom moment right now. There's big toys, and the parents usually buy those, and those are more expensive, and I get that. So people buy little gifts, and those little gifts usually have little pieces, and those little pieces get thrown all over the place. They end up in the vacuum, in the trash, in the corners, and then you go through your stuff and you feel bad because you don't want to throw a toy away, but it's literally one piece left of 40, and it's just oh, it's overwhelming because I have I have guilt. I feel guilt a lot. So I am hoping this Christmas gives us items that are small. I'm large or one piece. And that sounds so terrible. I do not mean that in an ungrateful way, but it's just I know as moms, we just, and clothes, the overclothing. They don't even wear, my girls are so particular. They wear nothing. Okay, I've ranted long enough. So this is Spice Breeze. It is a culinary experience in a subscription. Each package, what is going on right now? There are two different subscription options. There's the Duo and the Quad. They speak for themselves because in the Duo, you'll get 2 recipe kits, which includes a recipe and all the spices you need to create that recipe. Sometimes it's 2, sometimes it's 1, sometimes it's even 3. The Quad has 4 recipe kits. If you subscribe to the Quad, you get to choose 2 of those recipes. If you subscribe to the Duo, you don't get to do that. They preordain what you're going to get. So if you do want the ability to customize what you're getting, the Quad is definitely for you. The Duo is $5.90 a month, and the Quad is $11.85. This is amazing. I always make one of these recipes in my my blog. So if you want to see that, if you want to see one come to life, you want to see all the steps, how hard it is, because that's important too, because we're all different in the kitchen. I will link to that below. I will also link to Spice Breeze. Now, I will say that these do vary in skill. So you're going to get stuff that's great for Monday night when you have to go to soccer. It's quick enough that it doesn't take long at all. And then you'll get things that are a little more involved. Sunday nights. So it does vary. We're going to open it up. It is always beautiful. I just love spices. All right. Oh. So this is the October box. I smell cinnamon. They have recently changed, kind of overhauled their packaging, which I really think is cool. So this is the Spice Breeze Culinary Spice Box for October. And then there's this picture on here of a calendar type thing. Halloween is derived from a Celtic festival called Samhain. It's one of the 4 most important Celtic holidays, marking the transition between the summer and the dark winter. And this night, the gateway to the other world was so thin that the ghouls of their ancestors... oh, hold on. I'm sorry, I'm going ahead without even... It's just still about Halloween. But then there's... Our longtime members have seen the space inside the box card get crammed with the larger spice pouches. We always strive to simplify cooking with Spice Breeze on all levels. After the facelift for our website, we present to you the new Spice Breeze box design. All pouches will be easy to find on this new larger space. So let's see here. Oh, look. So, okay, so they spread it out, I see. So they used to put this on the inside, like right here. Now what they've done is they put it out over the whole area. And so you open up, you see all your spices. And then you have this really cool little cover thing here, and you have all your recipes. These fold in half. You can like make little note cards, put them on a little ring clip, or just keep them all together and shove them in a binder. Shove them in a binder. That's what I do. So anyway, let's go through, and then we'll try to see which one I'm going to make, but I don't know. All right, first we have Couscous aux Sipped Legumes. This is a Moroccan culinary spice kit. It looks like it's a mixture of French and more Mediterranean flavors, which is really fun. Saag Paneer. This is an Indian culinary spice kit. Avgolemono. That's Greek. I love Greek food. And Kamwara. Don't know that one. It's Moroccan as well. Can you hear my throat? I'm so sorry. So in the Couscous aux Sipped Legumes, beans and couscous, our first spice packet contains, these two packets here, right here. Our first one is paprika, ginger, turmeric, black pepper, saffron, and then our second is cinnamon and cardamom. So that sounds pretty good. I am not a huge fan of cardamom. My husband loves it, but I don't. So I always try to avoid it. All right, so Saag Paneer right here. That's one spice packet. In that one we have, this looks like tofu with like a green sauce. It looks really good actually, and I love tofu. Cumin, coriander, garlic, turmeric, cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, ginger, and white pepper. That sounds good. A lot of their spices are organic too, so that's really cool if you're into that, which you should be because they're better. All right, then we have the Avgolemono, and that's this. It's like an herb packet. In this one we have pink pepper berries. Ooh, that sounds fun. Chives, lemon, thyme, savory, green peppercorns, and lemon crystals. I think I'm going to be making that. All right, and finally, we have the Munkarara. I don't know how to pronounce that. I'm so sorry. And that's these two packages here. This one looks like a pepper. These little ones usually are spicy. In this one, we have paprika, cumin, cinnamon, mint, black pepper, and cayenne. And then I'm going to look at the instructions for this guy here. That, the Greek dish is made with chicken, celery, carrots, and onions. And then it's like a soup. Ooh, that's great for this time of year. I'm actually, or you could do it as a pasta, but I think I would do it as a soup because that sounds really delicious. So if you're interested in seeing one of these recipes come to life, check the link down below. I will also link to Spice Breeze. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.